Morning everybody, welcome back to the shop. We're out here this morning. We got big Dodge in the shop. We're gonna do a few things on it. So we're gonna take a quick look around this truck real quick, do a quick preliminary check over, and we'll get down to it. All right, so this one, we got a big 4.7 liter V8 in here. It's got about 250,000 miles on it. And radiator cap doesn't look so good, so we'll have a peek. Uh-oh, it's low on coolant. Front tire looks okay. Oh, this one used tire rotation. Okay, so what we found is we found all four ball joints had ripped boots and they're non-serviceable. The truck has like 245,000 miles on it, so it's no shock. But the really bad one, right here. Look at how bad this is. Yeah, this needs replacement. So we're gonna take the whole truck apart and we're gonna fix it all. 2002 Dodge Ram pickup.
1525.
It's a 1500 two-wheel drive.
Yeah. And what do we need for it?
Upper and lower control arms.
Oh, nice. They should come out pretty easy.
Yeah, they'll come out easier than the drive shaft in the Chevrolet. Get that, there we go, off you go.
Keep recording.
Just keep recording. That one's in good. See if we can give it a little help. Oh, ouch. There we go. Hey, voila. All right. Oh, yeah. There it is. There we go. Okay.
You made a very good point, Tim.
What's that?
She didn't want to argue with you.
No.
Your point was just too good.
And I don't want to argue with it either. My filter come loose. Yeah, baby. Are we spinning? Nope, we're not spinning.
You wouldn't have to sit here and do this the whole time.
Oh, by the way, I went looking at new floor jacks last night.
Yep.
Yeah. Since I know I need a new one.
Yep.
I found one at Home Depot for about 140 that I like.
That's right. So we get two.
Yeah, right. Take two, they're small. Gotcha. I'll start here and I'll give it the old heave ho. There we go. There it is. Ta-da! For those of you doing this at home, this bad boy here weighs about 65 pounds. Big fun. All right. See if we can get it to turn out of there. There we go. Oh, Listen to this thing come out of here. Crunchy, crunchy. Oh, Lord.
Breaker bar? Nope.
Nope. It's gonna come loose, but we're gonna have to back it up with the wrench. Ah, we're freeing up now. Yeah, just gotta play with it and get it hot.
Without lube? Come on, Tim.
I've busted more fingers. All right, we're good. I've busted more fingers right at the nail bed on this thing than any other job before.
Going under?
Yeah, we're gonna see if we can start getting these puppies cracked loose in here. There we go. There we go.
You're gonna have to get a pedicure to get it fixed.
All right. Oh man, this thing's kind of a pistol.
My turn.
Here, take the 21.
Yeah.
We're gonna leave it there.
Okay.
Should be good. Problem is, looks like you're gonna have to, nope. We're gonna have to see how good you've been lifting weights, because you're gonna have to do that one from under there.
Great.
Here you go.
Lifting weights.
Yeah.
That's the wrong one, Tim.
It is?
One.
Hey, you know what's on this side, don't you?
Yep.
There you go, pull down.
Nope, not enough Wheaties, Tim.
You ain't been lifting enough weights?
Nope. Not enough Wheaties. Doesn't help that I got no way to pull on this thing.
All right.
Nope, not enough Wheaties for me.
Swap around. Let's see if the fat boy can do it. Okay.
Not enough Wheaties for me. Thankfully. If I eat too much Wendy's, I'll wind up like Jenner.
Got her to bust.
Alright.
Now just gotta. There we go. All right. Now let's see if I can push the truck off on me.
You're going the wrong way?
No.
No, you're going the right way. Alright.
There we go. Good enough. All right. All right, now it's time for the dangerous part. Everybody clear the danger zone.
Where is the danger zone, Tim?
Come stand over here by me, yeah. No, seriously, come stand over here in front of the truck.
Duck behind the
That way the only,
shop.
if it happens to blow out of there, the only thing that'll hit is the HD camera. One $700 live lost.
Good.
Come on.
Not the pressure off of it. Lost your cap.
That's all right, we'll put it back in. All right, let's work on getting this lower out of here. Here. Let me grab this real quick. All right, blow that baby off of there.
Am I going the right way?
I think so. Either you broke it or air came off, one of the two. And let's see, I'll hold this one from this side.
Ready?
Blow it. Come on. Keep going. There you go.
Oh, there it goes. Okay.
She was just a little recalcitrant. All right, we're on the ground.
You ready?
Yeah, go ahead, pull it. All right. Oh man, this thing's heavy.
Just where those are?
Yeah, that's all right.
Recording.
All right. Now we're gonna get the upper control arm out. If you notice, we, like we said on the other side, we marked it with paint. Yeah, we're gonna have to use the old mechanics trick on this one. There we go.
Spinning.
See if we can get his brother pried loose. What was that?
Can you throw the little part in the back of the pickup?
The world started shaking up here. I'm like, oh God, it's the big one. Alright. Uh-oh. Found you. Okay.
Remember how those go in?
They're the same.
Okay.
Doesn't matter.
Well, I mean, angle they were supposed to go. Remember we discussed that yesterday?
Yeah.
Alright.
Yeah. Alright. Here we go. Alright. Let's go back in with the good stuff. Get your old fingers back up in there. There we go. Come on, there we go. Alright. The little knobby dealy fits right in a little notch back here, so make sure it gets under that little nub. We got the tires on, the brakes on. Ben, let her go. Drop that baby. Around, let's crank this thing up, see how the suspension feels and so forth. Oh yeah, gotta pump up the brakes as we compress the brakes. There we go. Wow, that's why the brake light's blinking. Oh, nice and quiet. Feels good. Feels like new. All right. So now, all we've got to do, move some cars, go for a test drive. Okay, so drives great, needs an alignment pretty bad, but feels real good. So, hey, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next one.